7 years old. My birthday is in August 27, 2017. My favorite animal is my favorite animals are dog, cat, monkey, and dolphin. If I could have any superpower, it could be invisible. I have 4 people in my family: Mama, Papa, Rafa, and me. I got to go at 7 a.m.
I go to school.
I go to school at 7 a.m. My favorite sport is swimming. My favorite food is vegetable.
Favorite fruit. Food.
Food.
Ulit. My favorite.
My favorite food is vegetable. When I grow up, I wanna be businesswoman. My favorite color are blue, red, pink, purple. My favorite TV show is Mini Concert. I love to do playing at school. My favorite thing to do when I'm on holiday is watching TV and playing on iPad. My best friends' names are Eloy, Sumaya, Blessy, Elijah, Ate Althea. After school, I like to play with my friends. On the weekend, me and my family go to Plaza. My favorite song music is 10,000 Reasons. My favorite place is to go out for lunch is house. I love my house because we are complete. My favorite seasons of the year is summer.